Influenza cases across the country are climbing, and here at home, listen, no different. My wife's a kindergarten teacher. She's seen a whole lot of sick kids over the last few weeks.
Yes, it's crazy. Fox 59's Hannah Fullman takes a deeper dive into those numbers and how the virus is impacting Central Indiana.
You or someone you know has likely been sick within the last few weeks. That's because experts are calling this one of the worst flu seasons in a very long time.
I think the peak is going to surpass at least the last 7 or 8 years for sure.
If we take a look at nationwide trends, the CDC is reporting very high levels of flu activity, which is the most severe classification for flu activity in the nation. Lab tests are turning up about 32% positive, and emergency room visits and hospitalizations are also up. Looking at statewide trends, Indiana is among the states experiencing very high flu activity. And as you can see with the red line on this graph, emergency room visits are increasing dramatically week to week.
They have chairs lining up outside of the emergency room waiting to be seen.
Central Indiana school districts are seeing the impact of these high flu case numbers too. Some schools have even had to close or go to e-learning days because of it.
Some of the schools in our community, one of the private schools has closed down for a few days. Apparently it's been really bad there. We have not gotten to that point yet. We've gotten to where we've had a lot of absences with our students.
Greenwood Community Schools is one of many districts in the state seeing a considerable number of flu cases. I spoke with one of the nurses here who said it's just been nonstop. Kids coming in and out of the clinic.
I would say it's as bad as I can remember in my short time here. Yes, it's really impacted just the number of absences, the number of subs that we're trying to find and cover classes and things like that.
I spoke with several other local school districts on the phone today.
Hi, this is Hannah with Fox 59.
And they are all in agreement. The flu is bad this year. That's why many places like Greenwood Community Schools are taking extra precautions to keep students and staff safe.
Wash your hands more often. Clean, high-touch areas where we're asking our custodians to kind of hit some of those, doorknobs and desks and different things like that, water fountains, and just trying to be really cautious to try to limit the spread as much as we can.
Reporting in Greenwood, I'm Hannah Fullman.
If you're sick, please stay home. New at 4, state lawmakers